Everyone being bunched up for this front corner here is going to be interesting. Ow! Uh-oh, that's not good. So it's stuck in... What happened back there? So I got stuck in the cone section. I mean, we knew this was going to be a disaster, and I'm here for it. I love it. We're back for bonus race. This one's going to be crazy. We're doing leader outside the cones with the previous layout. We got 2 cone sections. Whenever the leader hits like that cone and there's one in the back, they have to go to the outside of it. And we're doing like the course that we did before, which is like really tight. And it's gonna be crazy. Oh my gosh, someone is smacking me real good back there. Okay. Let's get through the thing. I don't know who's back there. Let's get through this. And then with 2 laps to go, we stop doing the cones. It just becomes a flat-out race at that point. But everyone's going to be very bunched up trying to go through this section, which is going to be crazy. Oh boy. Okay. Lost a little traction there. It's okay. Oh boy. Everyone being bunched up for this front corner here is going to be interesting. Ow!
Several song-filled hours later.
Steve! Son of Uh-oh, that's not good. So it's stuck in... What happened back there? So I got stuck in the cone section. Okay, we're back after a quick caution. It is already crazy. Destroyed a cone, had to restart. I got destroyed trying to avoid the cone, so that's good. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, thank you, Brian, for being sensible. Dennis, I think you missed the cone. Well, there was a noise back there. I don't know what that was. Yep, that makes sense. Oh, never mind. Okay, caution over. Okay. Oh, caution back. Caution back. We knew this was going to be a disaster, and I'm here for it. I love it. Okay, all right, we're back. Here we go. Oh, goodness. All right, boys. All right, boys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Here we go. Yeah, good. Where do you think you're going? Jeez, oh man. It's crazy right now. Garrett pulled in. Oh, no. I hope Garrett's okay. I know there was a loud bang. I hope he was not the recipient of whatever happened there. Oh, boy. Okay, now I got to take this cone section, which is, I'm sure, going to be totally fine and not an issue at all. Okay. Okay. I don't know how that went. I guess this is good. I just have to take it yet again. Okay. Oh boy, this is a wild one, people. Ah! Holy. Oh, goodness. Okay. Okay. Oh boy, I'm getting pushed. Dennis! Ow! I don't want to be here. All right, we got to take this one. Okay, 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 okay. All right, 2 left. No, people are just avoiding that joke. Ow! Pushing me through the turns. Okay, all right. One more lap. Oh boy, it's a tight one. Oh, I want to catch your bumper. Oh, I was gonna get you.